Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to create an X or formerly known as Twitter account. So, let's get started. First, let's open the X app on our iPhone or Android device. You can easily get this app from the App Store or Play Store. Tap on Login or Sign Up here. Now, tap on the option Create Account. You have to fill in some basic information to create your account. This includes your name, email address, and your date of birth. Fill in the required fields. Once you've done, tap on the option Next. Track where you see Twitter content across the web. You can enable this if you want to. In case you don't want to, you can just disable this toggle. After you do that, tap on the option Next. Now, tap on Sign Up. Now, you will be receiving a verification code in your email address that you have just entered. So, you can close this and open your email. At the top, you can see that Twitter has sent me the mail. You will also receive a similar kind of mail. You have to open that mail. This is your verification code. You have to enter that code over here. After you enter the code, tap on the option Next. Now, you have to generate a password for your Twitter account. Then, you have to pick a profile picture for your X account. You can choose from the gallery or also you can choose a default image. Just select it over here. After you select it, you can tap on the option Next. From here, you can set a username for your X account. This is the name that will appear on your profile and in your tweets. It should be unique, so Twitter will suggest alternatives if your preferred username is already taken. After you set it, you can tap on the option Next. Tap on the option Continue given at the very bottom. Allow this X account access to your contacts if you want to do so. You can tap on OK. If you don't want to allow access, then you can tap on the option Don't Allow. Just click Next. Now, from here, X app will then suggest some accounts and interests to follow based on your preferences. You have to select at least 3 categories of interest. Once you've selected them, tap on Next. Now, from here, you have to select what you want to see on Twitter. You can just randomly pick any of these options given over here. After you select it, tap on the option Next. And here are some accounts you can follow. After you follow them, you can tap on the option Next. Congratulations! You've now successfully created your X account in 2023. You can now start tweeting, following others, and engaging with the Twitter community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Protect Tutor for more informative guides. It will help this channel grow in future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.